Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to approve and pay bills in Xero. This is an essential skill for managing your business finances efficiently, ensuring that your vendors get paid on time while maintaining proper approval workflows. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your financial operations. Now that you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Purchases. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Bills. This action takes you directly to the Bills Management section where you can view and process all your outstanding payments. You'll now be directed to your Bills page. Here, you'll see all your bills listed and organized by different statuses. This makes it easy to track which bills are awaiting approval, which are ready for payment, and which have already been processed. It's a comprehensive overview of your payables at a glance. On the top part of your screen, click on the tab labeled Awaiting Approval. This filters your view to show only the bills that need to be reviewed before payment can be made. Keep in mind that this process requires certain admin privileges to be accessible, so if you don't see this option, you may need to check with your account administrator about your user permissions. From here, you'll see all the bills that require approval before payment. Take a moment to scan through the list to identify which bills need your attention. When you're ready, click on the specific bill you wish to approve and pay. This will direct you to the Bills Overview page where you can see all the items listed for payment along with their respective due dates. This detailed view is crucial for making informed decisions about your payments. Now comes an important step. Review the bill thoroughly and confirm that all items, services, and products listed are correct. Check the amounts, verify the vendor information, and ensure everything matches your records or purchase orders. This verification step is critical to prevent payment errors and maintain accurate financial records. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, click on the Approve button. By approving this bill, you're confirming that it's ready for payment and moving it forward in your accounts payable workflow. The bill will now be queued for payment processing according to your payment schedule. And there you have it, you've successfully approved a bill in Xero, ensuring proper financial controls while keeping your payment process moving smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.